Last month, after almost a year of planning, our girls' trip in Asia finally happened. In the next series, let me share with you everything we've learned and experienced. Today, we're sharing how we get from Narita Airport to the Asakusa district in Tokyo.
Guys, we have arrived. We're waiting for Almira and our luggage. I have a little bit of drama. It's not yet showing up. I hope it's here. It said it was loaded. But that happened last time too. And it did not unload itself. We got our luggage! Hello! Made it! Hindi naman.
Oh my God.
Kala mo sinundo namin siya dito.
Kala mo taga Japan.
Almira's luggage is taking a while. So in the meantime, immigration process. Pretty smooth. Nothing too crazy. We had to do biometrics, do fingerprint, and a photo. And then we got our visa thing.
Once you're out of immigration, follow the signs and head down to the train station. Getting to Tokyo from the airport in general is a bigger topic, and we'll find some time to share that with you. But for right now, and for our specific accommodation, the best option was to take the Keisei Sky Access. This will take us straight to A18 Asakusa station. So we lined up for a while to get our IC card, and then once again followed the blue signs to the Keisei Sky Access. Note that the train switches line halfway through and becomes the Asakusa Toei line, but you don't need to get off the train. All in all, it's a pleasant 15-minute ride, and from there we followed even more signs to get out of the station via elevators and took a bus straight to our B&B. Finally, we met up with Noreen, and our Japan adventure officially begins in the next video, so follow for more.
Why is this so random? This is from San Francisco. Ba't pag nakikita tayo parang hindi tayo nakita 2 days ago?
Kita tayo ng Saturday.